Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, level 3, fifth problem completed. Now this is a 12th question. Coefficient of x power 50 in 1 plus x whole power 1000 plus 2x whole 2x into 1 plus x whole power 999 plus and so on. Those are the terms. So once again I am writing here 2x 1 plus x whole power 999 plus 3x square plus 1 plus x 3x into not plus whole power 998 plus and so on. Students, what is the last term here? Last term 1001 into x power 1000. This is the last term 1000 1 2 3. This is not 1001, 1000 only. 1001. Okay, this is 1000 power, this is 1001 power 1000. Okay, correct one. Now here take the common 1 plus x whole power 1000. If you are taken common this, then what is the remaining term? 1 plus 2 into x by 1 plus x plus 3 into x square by 1 plus x whole square and so on and so on. Last term, what we get? 1001 into, here they didn't give any last term. The power is 1000 means we can take 1001 terms like that. Yes or no? So this is x by x power 1000 divided by 1 plus x whole power 1000. Students, how to write this? Tell me. 1 plus x into, this is in the form of like this, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square 4x cube and so on. Actually this is, we can write 1 minus x whole power minus 2 or not? 1 minus x whole power minus 2. Here they didn't mention last term. That's why no need to write the last term. Okay, right up to and so on. Now here how to write? Tell me. 1 minus, what is x here? X by 1 plus x whole power minus 2. Okay, here power 1000. Now this is 1 plus x whole power 1000. This is, see the calculation, we get 1 by 1 plus x whole power minus 2 only. Denominator sent to numerator, the power is going to positive. Now 1 plus x whole power 1000 into 1 plus x whole square. Overall, how much, students? This is 1 plus x whole power 1002. Okay, 1 plus x whole power n. In that expansion, what is general term formula? NCR into x power r. What is x power r coefficient? NCR. But here they are asking the coefficient of x power 50. Now tell me what is coefficient of x power 50? Coefficient of x power 50 is, what is, students? 1000 to C50. Coefficient of x power r, that is NCR now. NCR, n means here 1000 to, r means 50, we know that. So correct option, third option. See the 18th question. This is important. This is a previous mains question. How to do this problem? So take Tn. Tn, that is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n r by NCR. R by NCR. This is, we can write another way also. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n. In place of r, I am changing the value. So that is n minus r. N minus r divided by NC n minus r. In place of r, what I am written, students? N minus r I am written. Okay. Now we know the formula. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Yes or no? So in the denominator, I am going to change. R is equal to 0 to n minus r. Denominator, NC n minus r means I am writing NCR. There is a change here. Now split into two parts. R is equal to 0 to n by NCR minus r by NCR. Okay, students, up to here understood now? Now here, left hand side, what is there? Tn, that is equal to, I'm writing first term, n take outside, sigma r is equal to 0 to n 1 by NCR minus sigma r is equal to 0 to n r by NCR. Already we know that these value, how much, students? That is Sn. So write that Tn is equal to n into Sn minus, and observe the last term, that is Tn or not. Tn is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n r by NCR. This value is what? Tn. Now minus Tn send left hand side, plus Tn, totally 2Tn, that is equal to NSN. But what they are asking here? Tn divided by Sn. Tn divided by Sn, that is equal to n by 2. This is the answer. Which option, students? First option. So here, remember it, this step. First, what I am done, in place of r, just I am replaced n minus r, and here this is the formula, NCR is equal to NC n minus r I am written. After that, split into two terms, then you will get the answer. So first step is this, is in place of r, just replace n minus r, then calculate, you will get the answer. Divisibility rule. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is divisible by alpha. How we know that? First write that 1 plus alpha whole power n expansion. What we get? C0 plus C1 into alpha plus C2 into alpha square and so on. Cn into alpha power n. Okay. C0 means 1 plus. Here onwards, take the alpha common. Remaining we get C1 plus C2 alpha plus C3 alpha square and so on. Cn alpha power n minus 1. So this is 1 plus alpha into, this is totally some integer for suppose m. Now observe here 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1, that is equal to alpha into integer. It is divisible by alpha or not? How many times? Integer times. Same like that, these two terms send to left hand side. Then what happens? See, 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 minus n alpha. Remaining, observe that each and every term take alpha square common. We get C2 plus C3 alpha, C4 alpha square and so on. Cn alpha power n minus 2. So this is overall alpha square into some integer. It is divisible by alpha square or not? Exactly like that. Okay. So if it is divisible by alpha cube means these three terms sent to left hand side, remaining term is exactly divisible by alpha cube. Okay. This is the procedure divisibility rule. Right. Now I am going to solve the problem. See here, ninth question, what they are given. See, 9 power 11, 11 power 9 is divisible by 9 means I am writing 10 minus 1 whole power 11. 11 means that is 10 plus 1 whole power 9. Power, see that different. One is 11, one is 9. So write carefully. First I am writing 10 minus 1 whole power 11. How to write, students? 11C0 into 10 power 11 minus 11C1 10 power 10 plus 11C2 10 power 9 minus 11C3 10 power 8 plus and so on. What is the last term, students? 11C11. This is the last term. Plus next 10 plus 1 whole power 9. Expand that. 9C0 into 10 power 9 plus 9C1 into 10 power 8 and so on. What is the last term, students? That is 9C9. Here 11C11, that is 1. 9C9 also 1. But this is negative, this is positive. Both are going to cancel. Yes or no? Both are going to cancel. Remaining terms, observe that each and every term having common. What is that? Tell me. What is that? 10 only. 10 into. Now this is 11C0 10 power 10 minus 11C1 into 10 power 9 plus and so on plus 11C10. Actually into 10 is there, we are taken common, that is into 1. Okay, that one no need to write. Plus here 9C0 10 power 8 plus and so on 9C8. Okay, each and every term having the 10. That's why I'm taken 10 common. This is 10 into some integer. What is m here? M is an integer. 10m means it is exactly divisible by 10 or not. So 9 power 11 plus 11 power 9 is divisible by 10. This is the answer. Fourth option correct. The remainder when 23 power 23 is divided by 53. 23 power 23 is divided by 53. Then what is the remainder they're asking? Now, how to do this? See, 23 power 23, that is equal to 123 I am taking out. Remaining is 23 whole square. 23 not whole square, 22. 23 power 22. So this is I am writing 23 into 23 whole square whole power 11. Next 23 into, students, what is 23 whole square? That is 529 whole power 11. Now 529, how to write, students, tell me? 23 into 529 means that is 530 minus 1 whole power 11. 530 we can write 53 into 10 or not? Yes. So 53 into 10. 530 is divisible by 53. So that's why I am converted like this. Okay. Now expand. Expand 23 into 11C0 530 whole power 11 minus 11C1 530 whole power 10 plus I'm going to write last term. Last term positive or negative? That is compulsory negative because suffix we get 11. 11 is odd number. Here odd number negative now. So here also same like that. Minus 11C11. That's it. 530 is decreasing. The power is decreasing. At the last term, 530 whole power 0 will come. Okay. Now observe this total expansion. Up to here, what is the common term? Tell me. 530 or not? 23 into, take 530 common. 530 common. That is 11C0 530 whole power 10 minus 11C1 530 whole power 9. Before this term, what is that? Positive or negative? That is exactly positive only. 11C10 into 530. But 530 we are taken common now. Minus, what is 11C11? That is 1. 1 into 23. That is minus 23. Okay, students, are you understood? Now here 530 I am writing 53 into 10 into next 23. This is totally I am writing some integer m minus 23. This is overall I am going to write 53 into, this is totally integer only, m minus 23. Okay. But suppose see here 20 divide with 6. Divide with 6. Then how to write, students? This is 20 is equal to 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 2. What is plus 2 here? Remainder. Plus 2 is the remainder. Remainder always should be either positive or 0. Cannot be negative. But here minus 23 is there. Here remainder is minus 23. Remainder cannot be negative. So that is we want to make them positive. How? This is the way. Now 53 minus 23. So here add minus 30, subtract minus 30, add 30. This is not 5 students, 50 by mistake I'm written. This is 53, sorry. Now 53m minus 53 plus 30. So this is overall I am writing 53 into m minus 1. M is integer. In integer subtract 1. For suppose 10 is the integer. If you are subtracted 1, what you get? 9 only. Plus 30. Plus 30. Finally, what I am writing means here 53 into m minus 1 means some integer, that is take k, plus 30. Students, what is the remainder here? 23 power 23. 23 power 23 is equal to 53k plus 30. Remainder is what? 30. Remainder 30. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? Which option correct? Third option. If 2 power 2006 minus 2006 divided by 7, the remainder is here. First observe that 2 power 2006 divided by 7 means, so now we need 8 minus 1 whole power expansion or 6 plus 1, sorry, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 expansion, 7 minus 1 or 7 plus 1 expansion is needed. 7 minus 1 or 7 plus 1 expansion, because it is divided by 7 now. Previous problem is divided by 53. That's why the expansion I am converted into 53. Okay. How to convert? Tell me. How to convert? So here I am writing 2 square into 2000. Sorry, 2 power 2004. Okay. 2 square means 4 into 2004. How to write, students? That is 2 cube whole power 668. See, divide with 3. 3 8s are 24. Last term reading 4. Okay. 4. 2 cube means 8. 8 means I am writing 7 plus 1 whole power 668. Students, observe here, divided by 7 means in terms of 7 we need. That's why I'm converted like this. Okay. Now expand this. What happened? 4 into 668 C0 into 7 power 668 plus 668 C1 7 power 667. Then go to the last term. That means 2 terms I am writing here. 668 C 667. Then here we get 7 plus 668 C 668. This is. In these terms, 7 is there or not? take 7 common, 4 into, take 7 common, remaining, you have to think that is integer only. That means this is total expansion is 7 multiple only. Plus, what about last term? That is 1. That is 1. Now this is I am writing 7 into 4m plus 4. Here 2 power 2006 divisible by 7, but remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. And see that 2006. 2006, how to write, students? Tell me. 2006 is 7 into 268 plus 4. 2006 is 7 into 268 plus 4. 268 is the integer. Okay. So finally 2006 is divisible by 7, but remainder is 4. Not exactly divisible. Okay. Now finally 2 power 2006 minus 2006. 2 power 2006 means that is 7 into some integer plus 4 minus 2006. 7 into 268 minus 4. Here minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Remaining, observe that 7 into 4m minus 268. 7 into some integer. That integer is 4 into m minus 268. What is that exact value? We don't know. Plus 0. If 49 is 49, how to write, students? 7 into 7 plus, what is the remainder? 0.